Okay, a 1.5 kilograms ball is in the cup of negligible mass attached to a block of mass M1, big M, that is on the table. A string passing over a light pulley connected the block to a 3.5 kilograms object, as shown above. The system is released from rest. The block accelerates to the right, and after moving 2.5 meters, the block collided with a bumper near the end of the table. The ball continues to move and lands on the floor at a position 2.5 meters below and 3 meters horizontally from where it leaves the cup. A. Calculate the speed of the ball just after the block hits the bumper and the ball leaves the cup. So we're just gonna go ahead and have to label what it is. So this is basically before. I'm just gonna say the mass is equal to 1.5 kilograms. That's the ball. And the distance is travels is equal to 2.25 meters. And this block right here, I'm just gonna say M2 is equal to 3.5 kilograms. So after this is collisions with the bumper. So after the box travels right here on a frictionless surface, the balls hit this thing. There's a collisions going on, and the balls is actually traveling horizontally and landed on the floor right here. And the distance it land on the floor, it is about 3.0 meters, and the height right here is about 2 meters. So we're gonna have to figure out how much time. So I'm just gonna go here, right here. Times 3 travel, okay? I'm gonna have to use my kinematic gt square. So in this case, we're gonna use gravity is equal to 10 meters per second square. Because, this is only VOX. We don't know what that is. That's what you're looking for. Basically, you may wanna write down you're looking for. So your height, which is 2 meters, 1/2 times 10 t squared. 2 times 2 divided by 10. So that would be 4 divided by 5 t squared. This is your time. Once you figure out how much time it takes to travel, so right now we know how much time it takes to travel. Basically, distance right here is actually from where the ball is. That's 2 meters. That's the height. So this one we're gonna have to figure out VOX. So we use this equation. Yes. My distance in x direction is 3 VOX. My t is square root 4/5. My VOX is equal to 3 divided by 4. That's basically your initial velocity when it leaves the cup. just after collisions. So now in order for us to figure out, the acceleration, we're gonna have to, I'm just gonna say, figure out accelerations. We actually gonna have to figure out, what that final velocity is. So basically what we know now is, we know this is the block, and it travels at about a distance is equal to 2.25 meters, and it's right here. It gained speed, so VF is equal to, we just calculated 3, that's what we have. Initial velocity is equal to 0, that's the distance, so therefore the only equation we can use is this one. This is your initial velocity is 0 because it's at rest, plus 2ax v squared. So to figure out what a is, we have divide by 2 delta x. So I'm just gonna replace the values. 3 square root 4 over 5 total square divided by 2. My distance is 2.25. This is how you would figure out the acceleration for this case. So this is how you would calculate question 4.